In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Duolingo password with email. This is perfect if you cannot log in or just want a fresh password. First, open your web browser. Any modern browser works fine, like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the password reset page loads correctly. Now go to the Duolingo Forgot Password page. You can do this by searching for Duolingo Forgot Password in your browser, then opening the official Duolingo link. On the screen, you should see a simple page asking for your email to reset your password. Once you are there, enter the email address linked to your Duolingo account. Type it carefully, and watch out for small mistakes like missing dots or extra spaces. If you use more than one email, take a second to remember which one you used when you first created Duolingo. After typing your email, click the button that says Submit or Send. The page will refresh or show a short confirmation message saying a reset link has been sent if the email matches an account. Nothing changes in your app yet. You are just requesting the message. Next, open your email inbox in a new tab or app. Use the same email account you just entered on the Duolingo page. Wait a few seconds, then refresh your inbox so new messages show up. From there, find the email from Duolingo. It usually appears near the top and often says something like password reset in the subject line. If you do not see it in your main inbox, check your spam or promotions folder, since automated emails sometimes land there by mistake. Once you have located it, click the reset password link inside that email. This link takes you to a secure Duolingo page in your browser. Be aware that password reset links can expire after a while, so use it fairly soon after you get it. On the reset page, enter your new password. Choose something you can remember, but not something very easy to guess like the word password or your first name. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols makes it harder for someone else to access your account. Then confirm the new password in the second box. Type the exact same password again, matching every character. If the two entries do not match, Duolingo will show an error and ask you to try again. With both fields filled in correctly, click Save or Reset Password. The page will process for a moment, then you should see a confirmation that your password has been changed. From this point on, your old password will no longer work. Finally, sign in to Duolingo with your email and new password. After logging in, your normal home screen appears with all your courses and progress intact. You have now reset your Duolingo password using your email and confirmed you can log back in. If this walkthrough helped you get back into your account, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.